Do you guys remember your very first single track ever? Or possibly your very first trail? Well, this is me this day, revisiting my very first single track ever. Now this single track ain't too hard, but it does get very steep and rocky in some areas. And if you guys are familiar with the GoPro effect, you know filming flattens a lot of things out. So you can only imagine how daunting this was to me as a new rider at the time.
This single track has been awesome, dude. I love the single track. This is actually one of my first single tracks that I've been on when I was a new rider. I posted a video on it not too long ago. I labeled it first single track ever. So it's really cool to come back here. It's nice to know how much progress you made, especially coming back to the very first single track you've been on. I think that very beginning section, that rock section, I actually fell on it. I actually went up it, no problem. I mean, I still struggled a little bit. Granted, now at this point of time, I've been riding for 2.5 years. I make 3 years in December. Is it?
There's the high mountain stuff.
Too much beer.
Now at this point of time, I've been riding for about 2.5 years, so it's pretty cool to revisit your very first trail, just to see how well you do. And frankly, this trail feels pretty easy to me now, so I'm pretty happy about that. I've made improvements.
This entire section has been downhill. Pretty interesting. It's cool though. Ooh, this rock. I'm literally on 3rd gear and there's some engine braking going on. Wow, this is steep, dude. Oh shit, tree. Oh man. Well, last time when I came out, it took like, what, 2 hours to come up here with me?
Not that long.
What happened here?
Oh, see this right here? I had to put this is an SX pipe.
Yeah, gosh.
And,
I love the single track, man. It's one of my favorites, although I've been here once, but I remember it clearly. It's really rocky in some parts. You gotta be careful you don't hit like a little baby head like that. What's awesome is this place has a lot of flowy spots too.
Now one area I would love to gain my confidence is Moab. It seems I am still skittish about Moab's steep, never-ending hill climbs, and of course certain ledges and obstacles. Although I was quote-unquote forced to do them, I was still not confident. So hoping when I hit my 3rd year mark, I will feel tons better when I do Moab again. Anyhow guys, that's it for this video. This is Rainbow Trail. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like to see more of my trail rides on the TE250i and the other dual sports, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell button. I'll catch you guys in my next video.